back again. It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook. And today we're gonna do a homemade pico de gallo. Sounds good, is good. Now let's get to this homemade pico de gallo recipe. All right, here's our pico de gallo right here. All we have to do is cut it up and mix it up. All right, let's go over. We got black pepper, and always remember I'm gonna have the measurements in the description. So we have black pepper, we have sea salt, we have garlic powder, we have fresh squeezed lime juice, we have one small to medium yellow onion, we have a bunch, about a half a cup of cilantro, we have one jalapeno pepper that we're going to de-seed, and we have 5, I'll say small Roman tomatoes. So this is going to be our pico de gallo, our delicious pico de gallo it is. So let's start our cut work, y'all. We're gonna start with our tomatoes. First, let's cut off this end. I don't have a core, so I'm just gonna nip the end of it off. All right, let's go half. Our tomato, come back, flip it down, make little slices and such. There we go. This one. And this is how we're going to dice our tomatoes. There we go. Just like that. Get us another one. All right, tomatoes are cut. Now let's get our tomatoes into our bowl. All right, and now for our onion, and we're gonna do that pretty much how we did the tomato. So we're gonna hit it and slice it in half. Then we're gonna go, gonna go down the middle, just like that. And we're just gonna score it. This other half knocked down. You know what? That might be a little bit more than I need, but we're gonna go ahead and cut this down anyway. There we go. Let's not lose no onion. And there's our onion. Now let's get this jalapeno out the way. There we go. Let's remove the head. Just go down. Then you can just pretty much pull out your membrane and your seeds. cutting board. There you go, all your seeds out of there. Once again, just pull it on out of there. No need to cut it unless you just want to. As such. Some seeds out of there. Unless you want the heat. If you want that extra heat, keep them seeds in there. Alright. That's a jalapeno. Jalapeno is de-seeded, so let's get to dicing this boy up as well. There we go. We're just gonna go down the back. Just as such. And I want to leave this one. Let me hit it one more time. There we go. Jalapenos cut. Let's get them in the bowl as well. Here's our last bit of cutting, our cilantro. So you just take it up and ball it up. Make sure you keep your fingers out the way. And just hit it like that. And I cleaned half of the stems. I still leave some. I like that little crunch, and it helps with the added flavor. So if you just totally all want leaves, that's up to you, but I like a little stem in mine. There it is. That's our cilantro. Now let's get that in the bowl as well. As you can see, you have your veggies cut. So let's just add our seasoning. All right, let's go ahead and throw in our lime juice, garlic powder, black pepper, and sea salt. All right, and then we're just going to mix it in, fold it in gently. I should have used a bigger bowl, but it's in here now, so I'm gonna make it happen. I'll make it happen. So we're just gonna mix our Pico de Gallo. Get everything blended, all the flavors mingling. Now that I done showed you how to make your own homemade Pico de Gallo, let's taste it. Now you learn how to make your own homemade Pico de Gallo. No more wasting money at the store. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time. Oh yeah, subscribe if you like my content. Like, comment. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing when we're doing it. That way you won't miss what we're doing when we're doing it. Till the next time, y'all.